你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. In our first two lessons, we learned the basic of Chinese pronunciation, tongues and pinyin. Tongues and pinyin together formed the pronunciation of a Chinese character. In this lesson, we will practice using them to pronounce some characters. Alright, let's begin. First one, 不 波 u with the fourth tongue, 物 波 u 不 波 u 不 不 不 This means no. Okay. 大 的 a with fourth tongue, 啊 的 a 大 的 a 大 大 大 means big. Next one, 左 z or with the third tongue, or. So, z or 左 z or 左 Please repeat. 左 左 This means left. Okay, next one. 少 sh ao with third tongue, 袄 sh ao 少 sh ao 少 Please repeat. 少 少 This means few. Okay, next one. 包 波 ao with first tongue, 凹 波 ao 包 波 ao 包 Please repeat. 包 包 This means bag. Very good. Let's continue. 鞋 xi ye with the second tongue, 也 xi ye 鞋 xi ye 鞋 Please repeat. 鞋 鞋 This means shoes. Okay, next one. 有 e o with third tongue, 偶 e o 有 e o 有 Please repeat. 有 有 This means have. Okay, next one. 高 g ao with first tongue, 凹 高 g ao 高 Please repeat. 高 高 This means high. And next one. 瘦 sh o with fourth tongue, 哦，sh o 瘦，sh o 瘦。Please repeat. 瘦瘦 This means thin. Okay. 最滋微 with full stop. 味滋味最滋味最 Please repeat. 最最 This means most. Alright, let's practice a few vocabulary words. First one. 小草西一凹 with third tongue 袄西一袄小丝凹 with third tongue 袄丝袄草 So together it's 小草 Please repeat. 小草小草 This means grass. Okay. 微笑 U A the first tongue A U A 微西一凹 with fourth tongue 凹西一凹笑 So together it's 微笑 Please repeat. 微笑微笑 means smile. Okay, next one. 酒杯鸡 U the third tongue 有鸡有酒波 A the first tongue 波 A 杯 So together it's 酒杯 Please repeat. 酒杯酒杯 This means goblet. Okay, this one. 街道鸡耶 the first tongue 鸡耶街的凹 the fourth tongue 凹的凹道 Together it's 街道 Please repeat. 街道街道 This means street. Okay, next one. 绘画喝微 the fourth tongue 味喝味会喝乌啊 the fourth tongue 啊喝乌啊画 So together it's 绘画 Please repeat. 绘画绘画 This means painting. Okay, next one. 学习西约 The second tongue. 约西约学习 Together it's 学习 Please repeat 学习学习 This means study. For the whole syllables, we just need to put tongues when we pronounce. For example, 日日日 This means sun. And this one, 圆圆圆 It means round. Next, 一一一 This means one. Next one, 五五五 This means five. Alright, in this lesson, we practiced how to use pinyin and tongues to help you pronounce Chinese characters. It will help you to learn the Chinese characters better. Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。